What up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new smartwatch from Awei called the H18 AMOLED smartwatch. So it said it offers features like health tracking, fitness tracking, and a very long battery life up to 10 days, depending on your usage. It also supports ecards, which is the first time I've ever heard of that features. And more importantly, it costs under 120 bucks. So making it very affordable. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and see what more features it has to offer. Alright, so this is the actual box itself, the Awei H18 AMOLED smartwatch. So when you open the box, you will see the smartwatch itself. Underneath, you'll find an extra set of straps, but these are not magnetic. We also have a charging cable, though there's no adapter. You'll need to use one you already have at home. And finally, there's a user manual guide. So that's pretty much everything inside the box. So when you look at the smartwatch, you will see it's made from an alloy, pretty much an alloy. The straps are basically in a rubber or silicone style. Underneath, there are sensors, as most smartwatches have them. There's also a speakers on the side, and the watch isn't too heavy. It's size around like 33 millimeter. On the other hand, there is a crown that you can use to change settings or your wallpaper, stuff like that. And then there's a buttons on the side to navigate all the exercise and other features. Actually, you can change the straps because we have an extra set in the box. You can also buy different kind of straps. It really depends on what styles you prefer. And honestly, I really like magnetic ones because they're super easy to use. I'm not a fan of those typical straps that take time to fasten. With the magnetic ones, it's just like 1 second or 2 and you're ready to go. Alright, so regarding the specs of this smartwatch, it has a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen display. It features a 280 milliamps battery capacity, and its working time is around 7 to 9 days, depending on your usage. It also IP68 waterproof, and it's compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 9.0. The calling system uses Harmony OS, and it also supports Android 4. So those are all the specs of this smartwatch. Turning on your smartwatch is easy. Just press and hold the crown for 3 seconds and the logo will pop up. And there you go. The smartwatch also has an app called the Fit app, which I've downloaded on my phone. It actually works very well, and we will discuss that later. Okay, when you want to open your smartwatch, just press the buttons on the side. This is the menu button. Alternatively, you can press the crown on the other side to go to the main setting. Just slide to the left and you will see small icons here. If you slide to the right, you can view all your activities like your heart rate, step counts, sleeping monitors, and blood oxygen, SpO2, plus other data. There's also weather informations. When you're ready to access the main menu, just press these 3 dots right here. This will display all the menu options. Alright, so let's start with the first features we're going to see, the watch face. You can use the crown to cycle through all the watch face designs of the watch. You can choose your preferred style. And you can also go to your Awei Fit app where there's a bunch of watch faces to choose from. I've noticed that the app updates with many kinds of watch face designs. They have a face gallery where you can select from different kinds of watch faces. And since it updates regularly, you can also choose your best watch face. Let's look at what this smartwatch can do. You can see your daily activities like how many steps you take, how many calories you burn, and the details about your exercise. So it has a sleep monitor, so you can wear it at night. It will track your sleep. You can see your sleep informations for up to 7 days. The heart rate feature shows you how fast your heart is beating and tells you if it's in good range. You can also make and get phone calls right on your watch. Just add contacts using the Fit app. For exercise, pick whatever you're doing, like walking, cycling, running, and there's a bunch of sports mode here, and it will record everything: your steps, your calories, heart rate, and how far you can go. It keeps all these informations in the app for you to see. To stop, just slide left and tap stop. You can also look at your past exercise records. It helps your health by checking your blood pressure and blood oxygen levels on your wrist. There's even a stress monitor so you can help you to see how stressed you are, which can be useful on a bad day. For everyday use, it shows the weather forecast so you know if it's going to rain or be sunny. You can also get messages from your phone and app like Facebook, Instagram right on your watch. It can be even a camera buttons on your phone. If you want to relax, there's a relaxation mode in the app with calming sounds for meditations or to help you focus. You can also play music on your phone through the watch. This smartwatch even has an AI voice helper like Siri, which we can try that later. And other helpful tools including a timer, alarm, stopwatch, and cycle tracking for women. There's a flashlight and a find phone features that makes your phone ring if you lose it. It even has a calculator and a few simple games. It's great for when you're waiting somewhere else. And finally, you can easily go to the settings on your watch to change things like display and other personal options. Let's explore the Awei Fit app. Actually, you can download it. It's scanning the QR code found in the user guide. Once you open the app, you will see all your health data at once, including your step count and how close you are to your daily goal. For example, if you're aiming for 10,000 steps. It also provides details from your sleep monitor, your current heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and even your stress level. So for women, it includes menstruation cycle tracking, and it keeps tabs on your weight and water intake. So one of my favorite features is the fitness program section. Even if you're not a fitness expert, this helps you choose the right exercise for goals like losing weight or building muscles with specific workout of your core, chest, arms, and many more. What really cool is that these are video guides you can download and follow along, making it like having your personal coach on your phone without extra cost. So the app also features a GPS tracking for activities like trail running or regular running, mapping your route using a Google Maps in real time. For meditation, you'll find guided training with sound to help you breathe and relax. You can easily manage your notification here, choosing which apps do you want to send alerts to your smartwatch like Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram, or you can turning them all off if you prefer. Handy tools including a Find Your Device. These features locate your smartwatch, the ability to add alarms, world clock, and a camera shutter buttons for your phone. A unique ecard section lets you store electronic cards by scanning QR codes, and you can add contacts so you can make and receive calls directly on your smartwatch. And finally, you can adjust many of the smartwatch settings within the app, such as display control, scene mode, and weather setting. And also you can update your smartwatch software here. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you'll need and find inside the Helpful Fit app. And that's pretty much my entire unboxing for this smartwatch. If you're interested in buying it, you can find the link in the description below. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out, everybody.